The IRS is reportedly working on a deal with immigration officials to use tax data to support President Trump's mass deportation plan. But how do undocumented immigrants pay taxes, and what kind of impact could this have? I'm Patsy Montesinos, and I talked to a couple of experts and have the answers.
I think a common misunderstanding or misconception is that immigrants in the U.S. are not paying their taxes.
In 2022, undocumented immigrants paid nearly $95 billion in taxes. In Tennessee, they paid over $310 million. That's according to the Nonpartisan Institute on Taxation and Economic Policy. They say this helps fund public infrastructure, institutions, and services in every state.
They're paying their taxes because they are members of our community, and that's what members of the communities do.
Using an IRS-issued individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN.
I've always explained that the IRS is not allowed to give their information over to the immigration authorities.
But this could soon change. According to the Washington Post, a new agreement may allow ICE to verify name and addresses with the IRS of people who might be in the U.S. illegally.
Of course, we're going to see a lot less federal income tax because people who otherwise would be very happy to pay their taxes might be too afraid to do so.
Immigration lawyers say that while undocumented immigrants pay taxes, they can't access many deductions and most of the social services funded by this money, including Social Security, food stamps, Medicare, and Medicaid.
They are helping the community without receiving those benefits.
They say the potential deal is already creating fear in the immigrant community.
If you're afraid to file your taxes because it opens you up to the risk of being separated from your family, you're probably not going to file or pay your taxes, even if you want to stay, even if that's ordinarily what you have been doing or want to do.
In Nashville, I'm Patsy Montesinos, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Patsy. Personal tax information, by the way, is considered confidential, and so it's protected by the IRS. An exception, though, when the agency is required to disclose information under law in some instances, like a court order, or when sharing information with other government agencies to enforce tax laws.